Hello guys, quick one today. As you can see behind me, my Harley is in pieces. The fairing is open because I need to replace the neck bearing. But while I'm there, as you can see, the grease fitting is almost in the front of the bike. And I have like this piece going in here. I won't clip it for you, but you can see where it's going. So there is absolutely no way that I can fit a grease gun in here to connect on the grease fitting and grease the neck bearing. When I turn the bar full lock, it's still not clearing or moving enough to fit a grease gun there. So what I decide to do is install a 50 cents 90 degrees grease fitting. I will install that this way, so when my handlebar will be full lock, it will be really easy to grease my neck bearing without having to remove the fairing. And to remove this plate, there's a hole here that's match here. This is the setup for the signal lights as well as the wind deflector on the fork. So I have to remove all this, the front of the fairing, the turn signal, and the fork wind deflector, to manage to remove the plate and grease that neck bearing, which is ridiculous. So with that 50 cents 90 degrees grease fitting, I will be able to grease my neck bearing with ease anytime I want without dismantling or removing a single part. So this is it, guys. I've installed a 90 degrees grease fitting, so now I only have to turn the handlebar a bit on the right and I have easy access to the grease fitting without any headache. Before, it was pretty much impossible to put the grease gun because it was a straight grease fitting, so I needed to remove that plate. So now will be really easy to grease my stern bearing or the neck bearing on my bike.